news. This is a big update coming in the Maharashtra extortion racket probe. We are learning that Parambir could now be facing another warrant. Chandival panel has now warned Parambir Singh, saying a warrant could be issued if he does not appear before the panel for the next hearing. This, remember, is a big important update that is breaking on the entire story. Where is Parambir Singh? His whereabouts are still not known. Now, we do know that the Chandival panel has warned Parambir Singh and said that in case he does not make himself available before the panel for the next hearing, there could be a warrant issued against him. We are tracking that story and the development and the details on that very, very closely for you, as the big update here is coming in right now from Mumbai, where we are learning that this could actually mean more trouble for Parambir Singh, who we do not know where he is, Yesha. But what more details have we heard on this important breaking update right now?
We understand right now is that the Chandival Commission is actually looking after the entire larger Vasuli Gate scandal, and which is where some of these accused in the case are expected to be present before the Chandival Commission, of whom we have seen this morning Sachin Waze as well as Sanjeev Palande, who were present before the Chandival Commission. And as a part of the hearing, it was lawyers of Sanjeev Palande as well as Anil Deshmukh who raised the attention that Parambir Singh has not been present. That is, the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has not been present before the Chandival Commission despite repeated summons. We had seen that over the last two hearings, he was imposed a fine of rupees 25,000 for not being present for these hearings. But now that he wasn't today as well, Justice Chandival has now clearly stated that he should be present for the next hearing, which is on September 7th, failing which there might be a warrant that might be issued against him. Now, this is quite an important development because we've seen that despite the summons earlier, he has been defying these summons and not being present because Justice Chandival is looking after the larger Vasuli Gate scandal, that is the 200 crore Vasuli Gate scandal that we are talking about. And this development comes in even as NIA had seek Sachin Waze's custody. In fact, Sachin Waze as well as Sunil Mane's custody. But this was a parallel case wherein we had seen this was related to Antila bomb scare as well as the Mansukh Hiren death case. But all these cases are now being interrelated because we had seen that it was in fact Parambir Singh who had particularly pointed out that it was Anil Deshmukh, that is the former Home Minister then, Anil Deshmukh, who had asked for rupees 100 crore from Sachin Waze and his team to be collected from bars and restaurants. And as a result of which now the hearing still goes on. We see that Chandival Commission would soon come up with their entire findings. Yes.
And we cut across to breaking news coming in. This is another update on the Maharashtra extortion racket probe as Parambir Singh, former Mumbai Police Commissioner, is now facing another warrant. The Chandival panel has now warned Parambir Singh, saying a warrant could be issued if he does not appear before the panel for the next hearing. Parambir Singh is on the run now, and this is the latest development as far as the former Mumbai Police Commissioner is concerned. Yesha joins me on the broadcast to give us more details. Yesha, what more are you picking up? Not too sure if Yesha can hear me at this point, but Yesha, if I'm audible to you, please tell us what you're picking up from your sources. Parambir Singh has been on the run is what we are hearing. Any know-how of his whereabouts and this warning that he faces from Chandival panel. Tell us all about it.
That's so what we understand right now is that there are several cases against the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh. Now, this particular case that we are talking about is the Vasuli Gate scandal. It had come up in fourth when he had himself written a letter after the arrest of Sachin Waze, API Sachin Waze, then wherein he had alleged that it was then Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, who had asked Sachin Waze and his team to extort money worth rupees 100 crore from bars and restaurants. And in that context, considering this letter had come out clearly in open, we had seen that there were investigations that were going on. In that context, we see that Justice Chandival Commission has now been set up to investigate the same case, as a result of which we had seen that people who have been accused in this case, we've seen a parallel investigation going on by the Enforcement Directorate as well, wherein two people, that is two aides of Anil Deshmukh, that is Sanjeev Palande as well as Kundan Shinde, were clearly arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the case, and it was in fact ED which had clearly said that approximately 2.70 crores were taken by Sachin Waze from bars and restaurants. And in that context, we see that now it is, in fact, lawyers of Palande as well as Anil Deshmukh, who had before the commission clearly stated that Paramveer Singh has not been present before the commission, because as a part of the investigation, he also has to be present to record his statement. But that considering is not happening, and which is why twice before this, when he wasn't present, he was fined for rupees 25,000. But now, in that context, we understand that because he is not present once again, now a summon has been issued to him. In fact, so much so that the justice, that is the retired justice, has himself said that if he is not present for the next hearing, a warrant can be issued against him. As a part of the entire investigation,
Right.
we've seen everyone who are accused in this case, be it Sachin Wazi, Palande, they've all been present before the commission. Yes.
All right, Yasha, stay on with us. We're trying to get more voices. Ishkaran Bhandari is with us on the phone line. And Ishkaran, as you're tracking all the details, Paramveer Singh is on the run. He's facing a warning from the panel that if he's not present for the next hearing, then a warrant could be issued against him. Your take on the latest details?
I am not surprised. That is the court procedure. See, a person who is an accused has to be present in court unless the court allows an exemption. And from what I am hearing from your channel is that he has never appeared before the court. So that is the normal process. If you do not approach the court and the court has not granted you exemption, then they usually issue warrants to enforce your presence before the court. That is the law of the land. So whether it be Paramveer Singh or somebody else, he may have been an ex-Mumbai commissioner, but the law of the land is the same for everybody. In a criminal case, you have to be present in court unless the court has granted exemption, which the court has not granted in this case. And if you do not appear, the court issues warrant, and then the law takes its own course and the warrants are executed if you do not appear. So I am not surprised with it. The court has given a warning, and next time they will issue the warrants because that is mandated by law.
And fact remains, Ishkaran, that in this time, so much has stumbled out of the black book and wrongdoings when it comes to the former Mumbai police commissioner that it has reached this. He is now on the run. He himself is not cooperating with the system or the law.
That goes against any accused. If you do not cooperate, if you do not join the investigation, if you do not cooperate, then that would go against you, and the court takes cognizance of that. That's why I said there are two separate things. One is what is the prime offense. What happens in that is you have to go and the court gives you anticipatory bail or the police arrests you. That is one part. The second part is what is happening now is where you don't appear before the court. That is a separate issue. And that also the court will issue warrants on if you don't appear before the court. So his problems are increasing many times. And it is not a very good strategy to not appear before the court because that results in, as I've already said, warrants being issued and warrants being executed against you for not coming to court.
All right, Ishkaran, I want to thank you for speaking to Republic this afternoon. I want to go back to my colleague Yasha, who's tracking all the details on the ground. Yasha, continue talking to us. Also, give us a sense of how this worsens Paramveer's situation under the given circumstances, considering how he is being watched very closely by the agencies not cooperating. And Yasha, if I can take the same question from Mr. Subhash Shah, who is with us on the phone line now. Mr. Jha, really wanting to get a sense of how this worsens Paramveer Singh's case, given he's not cooperating, given he's not been present for the hearings, given that he could well have another warrant issued against him for the way he has been acting.
May I respond?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
I tell you, it is a very sorry state of affairs that we have reached to a stage that the financial capital of the country called Mumbai, its police commissioner will be required to be called by issuance of such lookout notices. And despite such notices having been issued as against him long back, he has not been responded, or our investigating agency has not been able to apprehend. A few decades back, our Mumbai police was known, or rather, they would rather claim that we are, in terms of investigation, we are next only to the Scotland Yard police. What happened to our Mumbai police is something which is very shocking and surprising. Now he has to be smoked out. There is no doubt about it. He is required in the matter of not only one case, but in n number of such cases, he is required to be smoked out from wherever he is. our investigating agency, the Central Investigating Agency, who are investigating the case, will have to find him out and will have to interrogate him the way any common man is being investigated or interrogated. He has to be making himself available. He has been look here. He has been filing petitions after petitions, and without making himself, when it comes, having failed everywhere. As a matter of fact, it is also lesson for all of us. We should have insisted that he has to make himself available before the High Court, or soon after his petition gets dismissed before the investigating agency, even before embarking upon to hear long arguments at the cost of other several matters which are pending for their turn. Those matters are not reaching, but then this man has been able to encroach upon a lot of time of the judicial time of the court, which has also to be taken into consideration. There is no doubt, Pranjal, that he has to be hunted down. He has to be brought to the book, and you bring him to book, and then you interrogate him, investigate him like any other common man.
Absolutely.